Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall iCloud for Windows without lingering files step by step clearly. To begin, close the iCloud application if it is currently running. This can be done by right-clicking the iCloud icon in the system tray and selecting Exit. Next, open the control panel on your computer. You can access the control panel by typing Control Panel in the search bar and hitting Enter. Once in the control panel, locate the Programs section. Click on Uninstall a program. In the list of installed programs, find and select iCloud. After selecting iCloud, click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Once the uninstallation is finished, navigate to the File Explorer. In the File Explorer, go to the View tab and check the box for Hidden Items. Now, you will need to access the User App Data folder. You can do this by typing %appdata% in the address bar of File Explorer and pressing Enter. From there, navigate back to the App Data folder and then into Local. Look for the Apple Computer folder and delete the iCloud folder inside it. Next, go back to the App Data folder and open the roaming directory. Check for any remaining Apple folders and delete iCloud-related items if they exist. After cleaning the App Data folders, open the Registry Editor. You can do this by typing regedit in the search bar and hitting Enter. Be careful in the Registry Editor, it's important to only delete specific keys. Navigate to hky_current_user/software/Apple Computer and delete the. Next, go to hky_local_machine/software/Apple Computer and check for any iCloud entries to delete. Once you've removed these entries, close the Registry Editor. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. After rebooting, check your system to confirm that iCloud has been fully uninstalled without any lingering files. You have successfully removed iCloud from your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.